local hospitals ready if an Ebola patient turns up in Western New York? It's a question that continues to come up as concerns about Ebola spread across the country.
Well, today, leaders in Erie County said hospitals are prepared. News 4's Rich Newberg is asking about the plans put in place. Rich?
Don and Jackie, no cases of Ebola have been seen here in Erie County, but the healthcare community tells us procedures and safeguards are in place now to handle a single case or an outbreak in our area.
We are prepared in case we do get a case.
Erie County's top medical leaders say our hospitals are geared up to handle Ebola patients and to better protect healthcare workers from exposure to the virus.
The lower levels of protection that we were initially told was adequate to care for patients is not actually adequate, so we began ramping this up.
Now there's a question whether the county needs to purchase upgraded equipment to meet new federal standards issued Monday.
We are fully stocked as we speak, but we're adjusting based on what the guidance happens to be.
On the question of preparedness, ECMC says during a drill more than a week ago, it had isolated a mock Ebola patient 2 minutes after he walked through the door. The medical center has designated special isolation rooms,
where potential Ebola patients can be isolated, assessed, and initially stabilized medically while we determine if indeed they do have the condition.
If it is determined that they actually have Ebola, then they would be transferred to the nearest facility, which is in Rochester.
Patients and those who come to the hospital with them are now being asked if they have done any recent traveling.
For example, just to illustrate it, it's even at the valet parking when someone comes up. The valet parking folks will be asking questions.
But even before this new level of vigilance, Erie County's health commissioner says her experts in detecting local disease patterns have been looking for Ebola red flags. She says they've been doing it since August.
Preparedness is absolutely a team effort.
Now, Western New Yorkers are being urged to get flu shots. Some of the early flu symptoms are the same as Ebola. Coming up at 6, how do we stack up compared to other regions in our ability to respond to a health emergency?
My antenna went up there. You mentioned August. Now, did Erie County think it had an Ebola case back in August?
Jackie, back in August, ECMC thought it might have an Ebola case. Turned out not to be so, but that's when Erie County began aggressive surveillance. And that's a term used by Dr. Burstein, our health commissioner.
So it's been on the radar screen since then?
For at least a couple of months.
Okay. Thanks, Rich.
Homeland Security is taking action to prevent Ebola from spreading. Anyone coming from 3 countries in West Africa will now have to arrive at one of 5 airports in the U.S. They will undergo screening at Kennedy, Newark Liberty, Washington's Dulles, Chicago's O'Hare, and Hartsfield-Jackson in Atlanta. Governor Cuomo says the government should consider banning flights travel from countries hit hard by Ebola. The CDC is also taking steps now to fight Ebola. Thousands of healthcare workers in New York City learn how to properly put on that protective gear. The CDC also says workers should be supervised every time they put it on or take off the equipment. The recommendations come after 2 nurses who treated Thomas Duncan contracted the virus.